Welcome to an awesome tutorial on how to draw the charming and mystical Pokemon, Violet, using only a Sharpie marker. In this video, you'll learn how to create an outline of Violet with clear and concise instructions that will help you every step of the way. From the large snake-like body and intense eyes, you'll follow along with the tutorial and sketch out the basic shapes and features of Violet. You'll see how easy it is to create a perfect drawing, even if you're a beginner. Using only a Sharpie marker, you'll bring your Violet to life with bold and dynamic strokes, and create a beautiful and unique piece of art that you can be proud of. With this simple tutorial, you'll learn how to use your Sharpie to create depth and dimension, and bring your Violet Pokemon to life with a few simple strokes. So what are you waiting for? Grab your Sharpie and get ready to learn how to draw Violet like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe.